The cylinder head is mounted on the top of the engine block and forms the upper seal of the combustion chamber. It houses critical components such as the valves, rocker arms, and the valve train mechanism. The cylinder head's primary function is to control airflow into and out of the engine, while also containing coolant and oil passages that helps regulate temperature and reduce friction. In a cutaway engine, the cylinder head clearly shows how combustion occurs and how gases are directed efficiently. Inside the cylinder head are the intake and exhaust valves. The intake valve opens to allow the air-fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. After combustion, the exhaust valve opens to release burnt gases. This valve must open and close at precise time to maintain proper compression and efficient engine operation. The rocker arm acts as a mechanical lever. It transfers motion from the pushrod or cam mechanism directly to the valve. When the rocker arm pivots, it pushes the valve downward to open, and when released, allows the valve to close. This lever action ensures smooth and controlled valve movement. The valve spring is responsible for returning the valve to its closed position. Once the rocker arm releases pressure, the spring forces the valve to close tightly against the valve seat. This prevents compression loss and keeps the engine operating efficiently, especially at high engine speeds. The valve retainer sits on the top of the valve spring and holds it in the position. The valve blocks, also known as the keepers, secure the retainer to the valve stem. Together, these components ensure the valve assembly remains properly aligned and stable during the engine operation. In overhead valve engines, the push rods transfer motion from the camshaft and the rocker arm. As the camshaft rotates, it pushes the pushrod upward, which then activates the rocker arm and opens the valve. This system allows the camshaft to be positioned lower in the engine block. The camshaft controls valve timing through its cam lobes. Each cam lobe is shaped to determine how long and how far the valve opens. Cam rotates, the lobes push against the lifter push rods, coordinating valve operation with piston movements. In summary, the cylinder head and the valve train components work together to manage airflow, combustion, and exhaust. Their precise synchronized motion ensures smooth engine performance and efficiency and durability. So I hope that you get a lesson about our explaining how the cylinder works and what is the components inside of it.